Good morning and hello students. I hope you are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahava, your English teacher, and today we will start lesson number 2 of your textbook. So all of you open your textbook page number 7. The name of the lesson is The Tortoise and the Hare. This video is the part 1 of this chapter. The Tortoise and the Hare. But before starting, most of the student has listened the story from the grandmother and grandfather about the race of the tortoise and the hare. In this story, there is a tortoise who walks very slowly and a hare who runs very fast. In the end of this story, you will get a valuable moral that by doing things slowly and steadily, you can be more successful. So now, children, we will proceed to our reading part. The Tortoise and the Hare. Lesson number 1. In a field near the river, there lived a hare and a tortoise. Hare was very proud of her speed. She loved to boast about how fast she could run. Here, boast means that is शेखी मारना कि वो इंसान जो खुद हमेशा खुद की ही बातें करता हो. And she often made fun of Miss Tortoise because she moved so slowly. Tortoise did not like people making fun of her. One day she told Tortoise, I can run 10 times round the field in the time you will take to complete one round. I am not that slow, replied Tortoise, feeling annoyed. Oh, yes, you are, replied Hare. No, I am not, said Tortoise. Maybe you would like to have a race with me and show how fast you can move. All right, let us have a race, said Tortoise. Now we will come to our explanation part. Long ago in a forest near the river, a hare and a tortoise lived. Hare is very proud of her speed. Hare always thinks that she is best. Nobody can run like him. Hare always makes fun of the tortoise because she cannot run as fast as the hare. Hare always laughs at the tortoise. With hare, other animals is also there in the forest who make fun of the tortoise. One day, Hare said, I can run 10 times round of this field in the time you will take only one round. Hare said, you are so slow. In all the situation, tortoise become angry and said that no, I am not. So both of them decided to have a race. This race will decide who is faster between the both. Now we will take a short summary in Hindi what we have learned today.
एक जंगल में कछुआ और खरगोश रहते थे। खरगोश को हमेशा खुद की तारीफ करना पसंद था। वह हमेशा शेकी मारता कि उससे तेज कोई नहीं दौड़ सकता और हमेशा कछुए की मजाक उड़ाता। खरगोश के साथ जंगल के बाकी जानवर भी कछुए का मजाक उड़ाते। खरगोश बोलता कि मैं इतना तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ पर तुम नहीं दौड़ सकते। तब कछुए ने बोला कि मैं भी दौड़ सकता हूँ। तब खरगोश ने बोला कि हम दोनों के बीच अब एक दौड़ करते हैं और यही दौड़ तय करेगी कि कौन कितना तेज है। आज तक जो हमने पढ़ा उसका हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन ये था। The further story will be continued in part 2, which is very interesting, but before that you all have to read the paragraph which I have explained today, and if there is any doubt you are free to ask. But before ending, these are the hard parts which you have to learn. Boost. To talk with too much pride about something that you have or can do. जैसे कि कछुआ पूरी स्टोरी में शेकी मारता था, हमेशा अपनी दौड़ को लेकर शेकी मारा करता था। यह लाइन बूस्ट का मीनिंग वह है। Hare means rabbit. You all know that. Students, thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.